In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Godaddy website template in just about 5 minutes. Transitioning your site's look can be a fresh start or an essential update that keeps your online presence vibrant and appealing. So let's dive right into the process seamlessly without any further ado. First off, you'll want to navigate to the Godaddy website. Once you're there, look for the sign in button. This is your gateway to accessing your Godaddy account, where all the magic happens. Click on it to proceed. Upon clicking, you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. Take your time to type in your credentials correctly. This information is what tells the system who you are and ensures that you are the one making changes to your website. Once you've entered your login details, it's time to make it official by clicking on the Sign In button. Successfully signed in? Great. Now you're in the dashboard area of your Godaddy account. From here, you want to locate and click on the Website section. This section houses all the tools and options for your website management. Within the website section, search for the Edit Website button. This button is quite crucial because it's what takes you into the editing mode of your Godaddy website, where you can make various modifications, including changing your website template. Now for the part you've been waiting for, changing the template. On the editor page, you should see an option or tab labeled Theme. This tab is where Godaddy organizes all its website themes or templates. Click on this to move forward with the transformation of your site. Upon clicking the Theme tab, you'll find the option Try a New Look. This is your gateway to exploring new themes. The idea here is to give you a sandbox where you can experiment with different looks without applying them immediately. Click on Try a New Look to proceed. This action will direct you to a page where all the available themes or templates are displayed. Each theme has its unique layout, color scheme, font style, and overall vibe. You'll see thumbnails representing each theme. These are like little sneak peeks into how your website could look if you choose that particular theme. Now take your time to browse through the themes. Hover over ones that catch your eye and consider how each might serve your content and audience best. The design of your website significantly impacts the user experience, so choose wisely. It's crucial to select a theme that not only appeals to you but also aligns with your brand and facilitates easy navigation for your visitors. Once you've found the theme that screams, "This is it," select it. This action usually involves clicking on the theme's thumbnail or a select button associated with it. Remember, the goal here is to enhance your site's look while ensuring it still performs its primary function, serving your audience. Now that you've chosen a new theme, you're one step away from seeing it live on your website. Generally, after selecting a theme, you'll be asked to confirm your choice. Take this moment to double check that this is indeed the theme you want. Changing your website's theme is significant, but it's also essential to remember that nothing is irreversible. If you later decide that this new theme isn't working out, you can come back and change it again following the same steps. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Godaddy website template. The entire process is designed to be straightforward, allowing you to refresh your site's look quickly and efficiently. Remember, keeping your website updated and aesthetically pleasing is key to engaging your audience and encouraging them to return. I hope this guide has been helpful. The beauty of platforms like Godaddy is their user-friendliness, enabling you to maintain and update your site without needing extensive technical knowledge. So go ahead, give your website a new look and feel, and see how it helps in achieving your online objectives. Keep experimenting until you find the perfect theme that represents your brand and message. And as always, happy website designing.